Taxes are one of the biggest expenses for many individuals and families. With tax season looming ahead, it's crucial to understand how you can navigate the tax system effectively to save money. Welcome to our video on understanding taxes, tips for saving money. In this guide, we'll unravel the complexities of taxes, explore common deductions and credits, and share strategies to help you minimize your tax liability and keep more money in your pocket. So let's dive in and uncover the secrets to saving money on your taxes. Navigating the tax system. Understanding the tax system is the first step towards effective tax management. There are various types of taxes, including income tax, sales tax, property tax, and more. Income tax, for example, is levied on the income individuals earn from various sources such as wages, salaries, investments, and business profits. Sales tax, on the other hand, is imposed on the sale of goods and services and varies by state and locality. Property tax is based on the value of real estate owned by individuals or businesses and is used to fund local government services like schools and infrastructure. It's essential to grasp how tax brackets work and how they impact your tax liability. Tax brackets determine the rate at which you are taxed based on your income level. Understanding which tax bracket you fall into can help you anticipate your tax obligations and plan accordingly. Additionally, being aware of tax deductions and credits available can help reduce your taxable income and lower your overall tax bill. As for the tax filing process, it's important to familiarize yourself with important deadlines and required documents. The tax filing deadline for most individuals is April 15th, but extensions may be available in certain circumstances. Required documents include forms like W-2s for employment income, 1099s for other income sources, and receipts for deductible expenses. To make the tax filing process smoother, it's helpful to organize your tax-related documents throughout the year. Create a system for storing important documents such as receipts, bank statements, and investment statements. Consider using digital tools or software to track expenses and income, making it easier to compile information when tax season rolls around. Staying organized not only saves you time and stress, but also ensures that you take advantage of all available deductions and credits. Identifying deductions and credits. Understanding deductions and credits is the key to maximizing your tax savings. Deductions reduce your taxable income, while credits directly reduce the amount of tax you owe. For example, if you have $50,000 in taxable income and claim a $5,000 deduction, your taxable income would be reduced to $45,000. On the other hand, if you qualify for a $1,000 tax credit, you would owe $1,000 less in taxes. Common tax deductions available to individuals include expenses like mortgage interest, medical expenses, and charitable contributions. Mortgage interest deductions allow homeowners to deduct the interest paid on their mortgage loans, while medical expense deductions may include out-of-pocket costs for healthcare services and prescriptions. Charitable contributions deductions can be claimed for donations made to qualified charitable organizations. Tax credits, on the other hand, can provide even greater tax savings. Examples of tax credits include the Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, which benefits low to moderate income individuals and families, and the Child Tax Credit, which provides a credit for each qualifying child. Education credits, such as the American Opportunity Tax Credit and the Lifetime Learning Credit, can help offset the costs of higher education expenses. To maximize deductions and credits, it's important to keep thorough records of your expenses and contributions throughout the year. This includes keeping receipts, invoices, and other documentation to support your claims. Additionally, consider seeking professional guidance from a tax advisor or accountant, especially if you have complex tax situations or are unsure about eligibility requirements for certain deductions or credits. By understanding deductions and credits and taking advantage of all available tax-saving opportunities, you can lower your tax liability and keep more money in your pocket. Remember to review your tax situation annually and explore new deductions and credits that may be available to you. With careful planning and attention to detail, you can optimize your tax strategy and achieve significant savings. Strategies for minimizing tax liability. Minimizing tax liability is a goal for many individuals, and there are several proactive strategies that can help achieve this objective. One effective strategy is to contribute to retirement accounts such as a 400 and ONIC, or IRA. These accounts offer tax advantages, allowing contributions to be made with pre-tax dollars, thereby reducing taxable income. Additionally, earnings on investments within these accounts grow tax-deferred until withdrawals are made in retirement, providing an opportunity for significant tax savings over time. Another strategy for minimizing tax liability is to utilize tax-advantaged investment accounts, such as health savings accounts, HSAs, and 529 plans. HSAs allow individuals to contribute pre-tax dollars to cover qualified medical expenses, providing a double tax benefit of reducing taxable income and allowing tax-free withdrawals for medical costs. 529 plans, on the other hand, offer tax-free growth on investments when used for qualified education expenses, making them an attractive option for saving for future educational expenses. Tax-deferred and tax-exempt investments can also play a significant role in reducing taxable income and minimizing tax liability. Investments such as municipal bonds and certain retirement accounts offer tax-deferred or tax-exempt status, meaning that earnings on these investments are not subject to current income tax, allowing investors to keep more of their investment gains. Timing income and deductions can also be a strategic way to optimize tax savings. For example, deferring income into the following tax year or accelerating deductions into the current tax year can help minimize taxable income in high-income years and maximize deductions when tax rates are higher. Tax planning throughout the year is essential for minimizing tax liability. By staying informed about changes to tax laws and regulations and adjusting strategies accordingly, individuals can take advantage of new tax-saving opportunities and adapt to changing circumstances. Regularly reviewing your tax situation and consulting with a tax professional can help ensure that you're maximizing tax savings and staying on track with your financial goals. By implementing these strategies and staying proactive in your tax planning efforts, you can effectively minimize your tax liability and keep more of your hard-earned money. Remember, every dollar saved in taxes is a dollar that can be put towards achieving your financial goals and securing your financial future. Additional tax-saving tips and resources. In addition to the previously discussed tax-saving strategies, there are several more tips and resources that can help you to keep more money in your pocket. One effective strategy is to utilize tax-advantaged savings accounts, such as flexible spending accounts, FSAs, to cover eligible healthcare expenses with pre-tax dollars, reducing your taxable income. Another valuable tactic for investors is tax loss harvesting, which involves selling investments that have experienced losses to offset capital gains, thereby reducing your overall tax liability. It's also crucial to stay informed about changes in tax laws and regulations to ensure that you're taking advantage of all available deductions and credits. You can stay updated by visiting reliable sources such as the IRS website or reputable financial news outlets. Additionally, consider seeking professional assistance from tax professionals like certified public accountants, CPAs, or tax attorneys, especially if you have complex tax situations or are facing audits or tax-related disputes. To streamline the tax filing process and maximize deductions and credits, you can explore various tax preparation software or apps available in the market. These tools can help simplify the process and ensure accuracy in your tax return. Furthermore, it's essential to engage in tax planning throughout the year, rather than waiting until tax season, to optimize tax savings and alleviate the stress associated with last-minute tax filing. Understanding taxes and implementing strategies to save money are essential steps in achieving financial stability and success. Throughout this video, we've explored the basics of the tax system, identified common deductions and credits, and discussed proactive strategies for minimizing tax liability. By taking the time to educate yourself about taxes and staying proactive in your tax planning efforts, you can maximize your tax savings and keep more of your hard-earned money. I encourage you to share your own tax-saving tips and experiences in the comments section below. By fostering a sense of community and sharing knowledge among viewers, we can all learn from each other and become more empowered in managing our finances and minimizing our tax burden. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable tips and resources on personal finance and tax management. Together, let's empower ourselves with the knowledge and tools needed to achieve financial success.